Nobody claps for the hard years. No one throws a party when you wake up at 5 in the morning for the 4th year in a row, still chasing something nobody else can see. There's no crowd cheering when you say no to the party. No applause when you choose discipline over comfort. No one notices when you take the long road instead of the easy way out. You just keep showing up for a dream that hasn't paid you back yet. Nobody films the nights you sat alone with your doubts, wondering if you're wasting your time, wondering if you're crazy for still believing in yourself, wondering, what if this never works? Nobody sees those moments. Nobody sees you fighting battles you don't even know how to explain. They only show up later. When it's done, when it's polished, when it finally looks easy. They'll clap for the launch, but not the 1100 days before it. They'll clap for the diploma, but not the nights you studied until your eyes could barely stay open. They'll admire the body, but they won't remember the mornings you didn't want to move and got up anyway. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The hard years are not the price you pay before your life begins. The hard years are your life, and they matter even when nobody sees them. Every rep with no reward, every hour with no witness, every morning you got up when you didn't feel like it, every night you kept going when quitting would have been easier, every day you kept a promise that only you knew you had made. That's not wasted time. That's the foundation. And nobody claps for a foundation because nobody sees it. They only see what stands on top of it. So if you're in one of those years right now, the years with no highlight reel, no applause, no proof yet that it's working, I need you to hear me. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are not invisible. You are becoming something that cannot be built any faster than this. Think about a tree. Nobody looks at a tree and sees the years it spent underground. Nobody sees the roots. Nobody celebrates them. They were buried, alone, unseen. But those roots were doing the one thing that mattered most, growing strong enough to hold up everything that was coming. That's you right now. You're not stuck. You're growing roots. So keep going. Keep showing up on the days nobody's watching. Keep choosing discipline over comfort, even when it's silent, even when it's slow, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Because something is happening. You're becoming stronger. You're becoming wiser. You're becoming the person your future will need you to be. And one day, someone is going to look at your life and call it inspiring. They'll see what you built. They'll see how far you came. They'll clap. They'll ask you, how did you do it? And you'll know the real answer. It wasn't one big moment. It wasn't luck. It wasn't some magical breakthrough. It was every morning you got up when you wanted to stay in bed. It was every rejection you survived. Every sacrifice nobody noticed. Every lonely night. Every small step. Every hard year nobody clapped for. So don't stop now. Not because people are watching. Not because anyone is cheering, but because you know what you're building. Keep building. Keep showing up. Keep becoming. The applause comes later. The becoming happens now.